loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today we have a Shein Curve try on haul. I say this about every Shein video that I make, but I feel like this one is my all-time favorite. I really love the pieces that I chose this time. I think they are super cute and you guys are really gonna like them. So hopefully you enjoy this video. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel, giving this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It just simply helps me out with the algorithm. And for your reference, I am 5 feet 4 inches. I am typically a size 14, large, extra large, shoe size 8, bust 38. Everything I talk about in today's video will be linked down below in the description box, along with all my other social media accounts if you're interested in following me on any of those. And yeah, let's just get started. So first off, we have this outfit. This outfit is perfect if you are a bride, if you have like a bridal shower, a bridal event. This is perfect. If you want to take like pictures on the beach, this is perfect. The only reason I say like the beach or like a bridal shower, bachelorette party is because the pants part is a little bit see-through, so you would have to make sure whatever underwear you're wearing does not show through. You can get this lined or just wear some like boy shorts underneath. Actually, that's like a better idea. Maybe you can get some shorts this exact length in like a nude color, and that would actually work perfectly fine, and then you can wear it like to dinner or brunch or something like that. This will be a great like birthday dress or something like that. I definitely would wear this for my birthday next month, but only if I can find some shorts to go underneath it. So it does have a slit to one side, as you can see. I love the material. It's nice and lightweight. So if you are someone that loves summer and you still want to hang on to summer because we still have August left, definitely get this outfit. This top is pretty nice. It's not see-through and it does have like a zipper at the side, so you can pair this top with jeans and other skirts. You don't necessarily have to wear it with this one. I just really love this top. I'm definitely going to be wearing this with just jeans or like faux leather pants when it gets a little bit cooler. So love this top. I love the off the shoulder action. So this part here is not adjustable. I just want to point that out, but it feels very comfortable. And by the way, I got a new strapless bra and I'm gonna link it down below because I absolutely love it. It's the best one I've ever tried, and you guys always ask me about like what bra I'm wearing and all that, so I will link this bra down below. It's perfect. It's convertible, so you can wear it with the straps or without. Love it, love it, love it. I've been wearing it in my videos recently and it just holds up so well. It doesn't like budge or move. Overall, such a pretty outfit. Like, I have no complaints about this outfit. I love everything about it. I think it's super pretty. I feel really good in this outfit. It's comfortable. It's very lightweight. You can mix and match the pieces. Yeah, I just really love this. You can wear this with just like your bathing suit top and wear the bottoms to the beach if you wanted to do that as well. But yeah, this is the first one, and now let's move on to the second outfit. Okay, so this is the next outfit. I have them paired with these slides that are also from Shein, and I did show you guys something similar to these on Amazon in a like brown nudie color, but actually I prefer these over the Amazon ones because they just feel a lot more comfortable. They have some cushion to them. They're super cute. They're black, so they're gonna go with so many items in your closet. I'm actually really pleasantly surprised by the quality of these. They feel really nice, so definitely recommend these. Love them. And I love that braided quilted detail. I've been seeing it everywhere, and it does have that little square toe. So I just threw these on to show them to you. So if you're looking for like a show-stopping dress, definitely try this one out. I've been seeing this style of dress everywhere. So as you guys can see, there's a cutout here, there's a cutout here, but what's really nice is that the back is fully closed. I was looking at dresses like this on Amazon, but majority of them, the back was open as well, and I'm not trying to do that much. I just wanted to do like a little bit. But yeah, I really love this because I feel like it's a decent amount of skin. The only thing is I do tend to have like a smaller waist than my bottom, so like my bottom is definitely wider, bigger than my top, so I do feel like this part is a little bit big. I wish this part was a little bit tighter on me, but it's not that big of a deal. But I do still really like this dress. You can kind of play around with this part, and something I would actually probably do if I was like wearing this out somewhere, I would probably put like some double stick tape. You know what I'm talking about. They sell them in the drugstore. You can probably get them on Amazon. I'll link one down below. You can just double stick it to your skin and the clothing items, so that way it'll stay in place all night and you won't have to worry about it. So if you've been seeing this style and you've been wanting to try it, definitely try this one. I don't see anything through it, and the material is very stretchy, and these buttons are faux, by the way, so they're not going to open up on you. I mean, obsessed is an understatement about the way I feel about this dress. I love it. Oh, and by the way, I did switch out my bra, so I have on a different bra, which is like a low cut bra from Amazon, which I will also link down below. So yeah, I recommend wearing this bra with this dress in the black color, and putting the tape underneath here so nothing moves around and you're safe and secure. So next up we have this really cute summery outfit. It is a two-piece set. So it does come with the top and it does come with this skirt. I love skirts like these because they're so lightweight. It does have like a little slit there, and they're just comfortable and they're high-waisted. I mean, it's just a really easy outfit. The outfit's already like put together for you. So the white in the top matches like the whites and the flowers. Very pretty, nice material. Again, comfortable. As you can see, this is off the shoulder, and this part does come undone. You just tie it into a little knot. I switched back into my strapless bra. It is nude, so you can't really tell that it's a bra unless someone's like staring at you, but this part like covers it anyways. So I actually wore this out to dinner with my husband and his family. It was actually his younger cousin's birthday, so I wore this to dinner, and it's really cute, comfortable. I felt comfortable and covered pretty much the whole night. This part didn't bother me. This pretty much stayed in place. It didn't really move around too much. I love looks like these that are just like effortless. You don't really have to think about it. The outfit's already like thrown together for you. You just have to put it on. Easy, simple, very cute. I just love the way this skirt moves. Very nice. So if you're still wanting to get your summer outfits in, this is a really good option. And again, you can like mix and match the pieces. So very affordable, obviously, because Shein is super affordable, and I just really like it. And I like the fact that this skirt did not move around all night, so it stayed in place, and that's a plus. You know, sometimes you wear skirts and they kind of just like twist around your body. This one did not do that, so I was very, very happy with it. So next up we have this beautiful off-the-shoulder top that you can actually wear on the shoulder as well. I just like the look of the off the shoulder a little bit better. These jeans are not new. You would have seen them in last month's video. I will also link these down below. I just figured this top would look really nice with these jeans, and again, I have on the same slides. I'm telling you, these slides are so comfortable. I love how flowy the sleeves are. I love this little detail here. I just love tops like this. There's something like very feminine and like girly about tops like this. So it is cropped, as you can see, and these jeans are high-waisted. Very comfortable top because it's not like super tight on my body. It's actually sitting really nicely and comfortable, loose, and it does have like a little zipper here, so that's how you would get in and out of this top. So the back of it is a little bit see-through. I don't know if you can see, but as long as you wear a nude bra with it, you'll be perfectly fine. And as you can see, the bust area does have like another layer over it, so your bra in the front is not going to show through. Love this little detail here. It just sits really like nicely on the body. It's not like super tight on my arms. I do have like larger arms, like I've always had like larger arms, and this is sometimes a problem for me because it kind of just like sticks into my skin. But I like the way this one sits, kind of loose, kind of flowy, but it's not gonna fall down, so it just sits really nicely. Love this, and this is definitely an outfit I would wear out and about, to dinner, to run errands. Like, who cares? Like, I would just wear this out because this top is so cute. Just love the detailing on this top, and I love the little textured I don't know what you call these, but these little things here, I think they're so cute. They're on a lot of tops that I showed you guys recently, so I guess it's in style, but I love the way it looks. Very, very cute. So next up is another really pretty top. I love this one because, again, you have the same concept. Fire truck. You have the same concept where you can wear it on the shoulder, which looks really nice for days like I don't want to hassle with like a strapless bra. I would wear my bra and like wear this on the shoulder, and then for days that I'm like, okay, I can wear a strapless bra with this. I will just pull it down like this. And I love white tops. I just love the look of white tops. I think they're so like effortless and pretty. And I really like this one because I love the smock detailing. I love this detailing up here and down here, but also it's customizable. So this part here can be undone, so you can actually cinch this part to make this part like go down, make this part go up to give it like a little bit more structure and shape, or you can just like undo it and pull this part up, and that's as far as it goes down, and you can just tie this back into a bow. So it's really customizable, so I love that little detail. And of course I love these sleeves, very comfortable, really cute, just like a simple cute top and jeans outfit. It's definitely like my style, like a cute top and jeans. So yeah, I really like this top. I have nothing bad to say about it. As you can see, the top does have sheer sleeves, very cute, comfortable, really nice like transitional pieces from summer to fall time. So yeah, this is the full outfit, same bottoms, nothing changed. Love this, highly recommend it. Okay, next up is this top, which I am not going to spend too much time on. There's just no way I'm actually gonna wear this out of the house. Like, there's no way. So I definitely think this top is really cute if you've been wanting to try this top. Me personally, I was trying to step out a little bit, but not for me. I do think it's really cute, and it does crisscross in the front. So if you've been wanting to try this style, I do recommend this top. It's just, yeah, it's just a little too much for me. I thought I could do it. I can't. I do feel secure in it though, so I will say that I don't feel like I'm gonna slip out of it. So it does have this like bone detail here that stays in place, which is really nice. And that's what the back of it looks like. So it's kind of like a tank top style in the back. It's definitely very sexy. So if you're looking for a really sexy like going out, like club top, or like really sexy like date night top, this is the top for you. I wanted to try it. I do like it, but I'm probably never gonna wear this out of the house. Okay, so we just jumped from a really sexy revealing top to a mama sweatshirt. I don't know, I just thought it was so cute. I love anything that says like mama on it or anything like that, and I just thought this one was really simple, and it's black, so I mean, you can't go wrong with a black sweatshirt. So that is what the font looks like, and it does have this little heart, which I thought was so cute. The sleeves are like a little bit oversized. This part of it is actually a little bit more fitted. Same bottoms. You can wear this entire outfit. There's not much to say about it. It's very simple. It's very cute, and this would actually make a really nice gift for someone. So if you know a mama, I'm pretty sure she would appreciate a cute little sweatshirt like this. I'm not sure if it comes in other colors. Again, I always say check the links because I can never remember the colors and all of that. But yeah, I love this. Very cute, comfortable, and it's pretty lightweight, so it's not super thick, kind of like a staple piece when you're a mom. I don't think I've ever found a loungewear set that I don't like. I love loungewear. I love matching sets, so I had to grab this one. So this top is definitely more fitted in the arms for me because, again, I do have larger arms. So it is a little bit snug here, but it's not uncomfortable. It's actually pretty stretchy. This part here is very cute because, again, like the white top, this part can be undone and you can make it longer, or you could cinch it up to make it shorter. So I like that you can customize the top again. And as you see here, the joggers do have pockets. This is very lightweight, so perfect. I love when my joggers are lightweight. I do like a thicker material, obviously, when it's really cold, but for like right now, I think this is perfect. It just fits really nicely. It's comfortable. It is super soft. The strings here on the joggers are not adjustable. They're just there for show, so you cannot adjust it. I just overall like this. It's really cute. I feel good in it. I can lounge around and edit my videos in this. Very comfortable. I have nothing bad to say about it. And honestly, I do go through matching sets quite a bit just because I have kids and we're playing, or they're like eating a snack and they come and give me like a hug and they get like food all over me, or I'm trying to clean them and I get food on me and it stains, or I'm just clumsy and I drop food on myself and it stains. So yeah, I'm always going through matching sets, so I appreciate a good one, and this is definitely a good one. And this top, this detail on the top just makes it like 10 times cuter. So love this, highly recommend it. Okay, So this is the very last outfit I have to show you guys. I have on the same slides. So I threw on this activewear set and this purse to go with it, and I love this little like card holder detail here. So if you want to just throw in like one debit card, your Metro card, some cash, you can definitely do that and have it here. So the zipper is very smooth. The inside of the bag looks like that. I do have some stuffing in there. Let me take that out really quickly. So that's pretty much what the inside of the bag looks like. Very plain, no pockets, very cute, lightweight, and this part here is adjustable, so you can adjust it to your body height. I feel like this is a great bag for like running errands. If you're someone that likes wearing activewear and you need to like run out the house really quickly, you can throw on this bag and these slides and like run out the house. So I chose this outfit because I have recently started working out. I'm not like going too crazy. I'm just trying to make like subtle lifestyle changes. I don't want to do anything like too drastic, you know. I still need like my sweets. Like I'm a big sweets girl. Like salt I can live without, but like I need my sweets, like I need my chocolate. So I haven't like cut everything out. I'm just watching what I put in my body a little bit more closely than I used to. I never really used to be honest. Why am I lying? I never really used to pay attention to what I put in my body. I would just pretty much eat whatever. So I started watching what I eat, and if I do eat something not the healthiest, I'll just have like a smaller portion of it. I won't have my usual portion that I used to have. So I wanted some cute like activewear sets to like work out in. So I chose this one, and I absolutely love it because the top is long sleeves, so it's perfect because it is getting hotter. If I want to like leave the house, I usually work out at home, I don't go to a gym. If I want to leave the house and go to a gym, I can. If I want to go to the park and work out, you know, like take a walk or something like that, I could wear this and still be comfortable and warm at the same time. And these I love. You've probably seen leggings like these before in my Shein haul because I have showed you some before and I love them, but I love that this one comes as a set, so you have the full set. It's very stretchy and comfortable. I love this like thick waistband here, so you probably won't even be able to tell, but it does have that like ruched butt detail that you've probably seen everywhere. You've seen it on TikTok, you've probably seen it on Amazon as well. So if you are someone that does like working out and you want like an affordable activewear set, I definitely recommend this one. I think it's super cute. It's black, so that's good. I don't see anything through it, so that's another plus. It's comfortable. Love the top. Love this little bag. So once you're done working out, you can also wear slides with it and like run to the grocery store. I would probably pair like a shacket over this though. I probably wouldn't wear it out without like tying something around my waist or having like a longer jacket to cover the back of it because, you know, people are creeps. So I do like this. Super cute. And that was pretty much the last item, last outfit plus bag I had to show you guys. So that pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys enjoyed this try on haul, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more content. A huge thank you to Shein for collaborating with me on this video and sending over these really cute pieces. So have a great rest of the day, you guys. Enjoy it, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.